I'm going to lift it up a little bit, put some little legs on and a plate on the crossbars. I'll have to measure them inside, try and get them right. And I'm going to put some legs on here, and I want to brace it, so I want this up a little bit so that I can get some braces underneath. But I think one, I want the braces to go onto these, so leg there, I want the leg there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck it, I might just put 4 on. Right, so something like that. So something like that. Like I say, I wanted to put the braces onto this. So I think I'll move that one to the front. Then I only cut 4 because that last bit out of that length is a bit short. So I think if I move that one to that end like I did this one, and then have one there and one on the other, so one there, one on this end. I'm going to take it down, but from that I can measure now, and I don't think I want it any higher. I don't think so anyway. You know, how good am I? Won't do me. Right, they were okay. I'm either getting better or less worse. Right, need to just let that cool for a little bit, because I think I have to put it back down. I want to put some braces on, but I don't know what height, you know, where I can put them. Right, just got that up there, and I looked to see how straight it was up and down that way, but it is actually, if I can hold on, it is bent in like that. So these braces that I'm going to put on here, I don't know, I think if I don't put them down too long, this bit will bend. Right. Welds are getting a bit better. Not a lot, but some are good, some are a bit dodgy. If the camera will focus. No, fucking thing won't focus. It's a bit hard down here. See, I missed there. Even with 4 metre lead, it was just a bit hard to get down here. I've missed a bit. Right, just a quick update. Got some braces on. Might put some on here later, but I'm running out of daylight and it's going to piss it down tomorrow. So I've measured the spars on the roof, where these little legs are going to go. These little legs are going to go sort of like that. I need to drill them yet and cap them, but if I go up here, oh, my dirty roof here, there's a pen mark there, one there, that should be where the spars are, and hopefully I can just drill through and hit those. But I need to get the roof rack up so I can work out where on that leg it's going to go. So this needs just pushing in a little bit. That'll pull over there. I've got 1, 2. I'll move the ladders to 3 and 4 down there. So 4, 3. I might check that depth and I'll just make them all the same. But I can take it back down now, weld those, put caps on, drill them, put some hooks on here, and pretty much done. I don't know if it's going to be done today though. So those two are 90mm, these were 85 or whatever, so I made them 90. Right, like I was saying, welds are getting better, or less worse. Bit of splatter on there. Right, flip it over, do it other side. Well, that's going to be a challenge for me. There we're alright. Right, flip it over, cap the tops. Right, that's it for tonight. I'm sure I've pissed the neighbours off enough. They're not bad, a bit rough. Kept on blowing through. I might end up putting another rail on there because I suspect there's a slide wood on from the back of the van. It'll hit those and it'll stop them getting too much like that. These ones stop it going that way, and I want to get a hook on here. But that's it for tonight. I'm going to have to see if I can store it in there, because like I say, it's going to piss it down. And I ain't painted it yet. Right, it's drizzling. It's not pissing it down like it was earlier, but I can't get this out. It'll just get rusty. So it's got to go in the van so that I can get on with bloody bed. Oh, fucking hell, right nuts. That worked quite well. It's got a load more to do. Right, knackered old vice, it really does need tidying up. But I braid them over on that one because I don't really care about that. But I don't want to snap a piece of that off, knowing my luck it'll snap off here or something. Anyway, they work quite well. I end up cutting a bit of this off. We'll see.